If you've ever wondered how AI can make your daily life smoother, this channel is for you. We explore clever tools, simple tricks, and fun ways to use technology without any stress. Whether you're curious or just want easier workflows, you'll feel right at home here.
Imagine typing one sentence and an AI helps you build a dropshipping store, find products, write product descriptions, and list them to your store, all through a simple chat. No product research from scratch, no endless scrolling through suppliers, no writing listings for hours. That's exactly what this new AI tool is trying to do. Now, to be clear, this isn't some magic AI that guarantees winning products or does full market research for you, but it does act like an AI assistant that helps automate a big part of the process. So today, we're going to test Doba Pilot, an AI agent designed to help run a dropshipping store more efficiently. And the interesting part? Instead of clicking through dozens of menus, you just talk to it like a chatbot. Let's see how it actually works. What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a new AI tool called Doba Pilot. It's designed to help you build and manage a dropshipping store using AI commands. We'll go step by step and see how it can help with things like finding products, creating listings, and automating parts of your workflow. If you're interested in AI tools, e-commerce, or starting a dropshipping business with less manual work, you're definitely going to find this interesting. And if you want to try the tool yourself after watching, I'll leave the link in the description below. All right, let's jump in. So this is the dashboard of Doba Pilot. Right away, you'll notice something different compared to most e-commerce tools. Instead of complicated dashboards and menus, the main thing you see is a chat interface. Basically, the idea behind this platform is that the AI acts like an agent. That means instead of just giving suggestions, it can actually help execute tasks for you. For example, you can type something like, "Help me build a Shopify store," and the AI starts guiding the process step by step. You can also ask it to find products, create listings, optimize descriptions, and manage parts of your store operations. So rather than clicking through dozens of pages, you're basically running your store through conversation. And honestly, that's a pretty interesting approach. One of the biggest challenges with dropshipping is finding good products. Usually, people spend hours researching trends and browsing marketplaces, trying to find something that might sell. But with Doba Pilot, you can ask the AI to generate product suggestions based on your criteria. For example, let's say we type, "Find 10 kitchen gadgets under $40 with at least a 25% profit margin." The AI then shows product options directly in the chat. You can review the items, check details, and decide which products you want to move forward with. Now, it's important to understand, this isn't deep market research or guaranteed product validation. What it does is help you quickly shortlist and explore products so you can move faster and focus your decision-making. Once you find products you want to sell, the next step is listing them in your store. This is another area where people spend a lot of time. You need to write product titles, descriptions, optimize them for SEO, set pricing, and format everything properly. With Doba Pilot, the AI helps you generate and optimize your product listings. It can rewrite titles, improve descriptions, and apply pricing rules based on your settings. So instead of starting from scratch, you're working with AI-enhanced content that you can quickly review and adjust. Think of it more as a tool to improve and speed up your listings, rather than something doing deep analysis on its own. Now here's where things get interesting. After the listing is prepared, Doba Pilot can actually sync the product directly to your store. The tool integrates with platforms like Shopify, so once your store is connected, the AI can push the product listing automatically. You'll see a progress bar showing the product being synced to the store. So what normally involves multiple steps, copying product details, uploading images, formatting descriptions, is simplified into one flow. This is where the AI agent idea really starts to come to life. Another interesting feature is how everything connects into one continuous workflow. Instead of treating each step separately, Doba Pilot lets you move from store setup to product sourcing to listing, all within the same chat. For example, you could ask, "Help me build a store, find 10 outdoor products, and list them with a 20% profit margin." And the AI will start guiding and executing that process step by step. So you're going from store setup to product selection to listing to publishing all in one place. This is really the core idea behind the platform. Not just individual tools, but an AI agent that helps you move through the entire workflow more efficiently. And when you see things like the progress bar while products are syncing, it really feels like the AI is actively executing tasks in real time. Now, obviously, no tool can guarantee success in dropshipping. You still need good product selection, marketing, and a solid strategy. But tools like this can definitely reduce the amount of manual work involved. If you're someone who wants to experiment with AI-powered tools or simplify parts of the dropshipping workflow, this could be worth checking out. Overall, the idea behind Doba Pilot is pretty simple. Instead of navigating complex dashboards, you manage your dropshipping workflow through AI conversations. You can explore products, generate listings, and sync them to your store, all from a single chat interface. The biggest value here is really the workflow, being able to go from idea to listed product much faster. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.